Hello everyone, welcome to Lanret Tutorials. In today's tutorial we are going to be considering English Language Paper 1 May June 2008 WAEC past question, and we are going to be focusing majorly on question 2 today, a continuation of the questions we have been looking at under WAEC 2008 English Paper 1. So question 2 states that write an article suitable for publication in one of your national dailies discussing the vandalization of public facilities in your country and its effects. Wow. Now these are the following observations that WAEC noted about this question. The candidate is expected to write an article suitable for publication in a national daily discussing the vandalization of public facilities in his country as well as its effects. The few candidates who attempted this question provided titles and names of writers of the articles. However, candidates had difficulties understanding the term vandalization. Many essays were short. Another observation was that the content was basically on environmental problems such as the need for sanitation, controlling erosion, uncompleted buildings, among others, thus demonstrating a lack of understanding of the question. Some compositions also had sufficient content on vandalization but had inadequate treatment of the effects. Now, if you don't understand the meaning of vandalization, WAEC is trying to say here that because candidates did not understand the meaning of vandalization, they were giving wrong environmental problems in place of vandalization, and also they were not able to give sufficient content on vandalization and add inadequate treatment of the effects. Now, these are the hints on answering question number 2. If you want to get your full mark, make sure your essay is up to 450 words and make sure you understand what the question is actually about. This question is an article. You have been asked to write an article that will be published. Number 3, the first thing to state is the heading and the title of the article. And for this question, the appropriate title will have been Vandalization of Public Facilities and its Effects in Nigeria. Then, fourthly, introduce the topic. Define the keywords like vandalization, public facilities, and effects. You need to introduce the topic by defining the keywords. So you define vandalization in your first paragraph, define what is public facilities, define what effects is. Then after you've written that, under the content, candidates should give at least 3 instances of vandalized public properties or facilities and its effects. So you should give at least 3 instances of vandalized public facilities and their effects. Then your content must be rich and lengthy. You must make sure that your content is not too short. It must be rich and lengthy. So I'll be drawing the line on question number 2 here. For more questions and inquiries, please send an email to lanretsolutions@gmail.com, or if you want a text version of this past question, you can follow the link on the screen, or if you want different subjects and their past question of different subjects with their solutions in text files, you can visit lanretsolutions.blogspot.com to copy that. So we are coming to the end of question 2 on this paper. See you in question number 3. Thank you.